Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this square root math problem, which is the square root of 90 times 91 times 92 times 93 plus 1. Now we solve this without using calculators, so there's no use of calculators. Now let's provide a solution from here. So we have the square root of 90 multiplied by 91 multiplied by 92 multiplied by 93, then plus 1. Now we can express the square root of, this is the same thing as 90 multiplied by 91, which is the same thing as 90 plus 1 multiplied by 92, which is the same thing as 90 plus 2 multiplied by 93, which is 90 plus 3, then plus 1. Since we have 90 here, we can let 90 to be equal to x. So let's substitute x where we have 90 in this square root, so that we have a square root of x multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3, then plus 1. So that now here we have the square root of x multiplied by x plus 3. Then here we have x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2, then plus 1. In the next step, let's multiply x times x here. This is x to the power of 2. Then x times 3. This is plus 3x. Close the parenthesis. Then here we have x times x. This is x to the power of 2. Then x times 2. This is plus 2x. Then 1 times x. This is plus x. Then 1 times 2. This is plus 2. Cross the parenthesis. Then this is plus 1. Now, the next step is that we have the square root of x squared plus 3x into the parenthesis. This is x to the power of 2. 2x plus x, this is plus 3x. Then plus 2. Then plus 1. Now here we have x squared plus 3x and x squared plus 3x. So we can let x squared plus 3x be equal to m. So let's substitute x1 plus 3x with m. So that now we have a square root of, this is m multiplied by m plus 2, cross the parenthesis, then plus 1. So here we have, this is the square root of m times m. This is m to the power of 2, then plus 2 times m. This is 2m, then plus 1. We have that m squared plus 2m plus 1. This is actually in the form of a squared plus 2ab plus, now this is the same thing as 1 to the power of 2. So this is the same thing as b to the power of 2, which we can express as a plus b raised to the power of 2. Let's apply this algebraic identity so that we have a square root of m plus 1 raised to the power of 2. So let's simplify here. Let's eliminate the square root sign so that now we have m plus 1. And now if you recall, we are saying that we let x to the power of 2 plus 3x be equal to m. let's substitute m with x squared plus 3x, so that now we have x to the power of 2 plus 3x, then plus 1. The next step is that we are saying that, if you recall, we are saying we let 90 be equal to x. Let's substitute x with 90 from what we have here. So this is the same thing as 90 raised to the power of 2 plus 3 multiplied by 90, then plus 1. So we have 90 squared. This is the same thing as 90 multiplied by 90 plus 90 times 3. This is the same thing as 270 plus 1. This is 271. So we have 90 times 90. This is 8100. Then plus 271. And this is equal to 0 plus 1. This is 1. 0 plus 7. This is 7. 1 plus 2. This is 3. Then we have 8 here. So we have 8,371. So 8371. This is the solution to this square root math problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.